Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video, we are talking about Filmora Fun Collage Competition. So Wondershare Filmora has organized a competition for creators, called #FilmoraFunCollage, so anyone can participate in this competition, and you can use the Filmora PC version or mobile version for this. And also you can win cool prizes. So how do I participate in this competition? It's simple, you need to create a creative video, using their brand's newly released collage templates, and share it on your social media with the #FilmoraFunCollage tag, before the 26th of June. So if you want to know more information about this competition, I put all details in the description, you can check that out. So what do we get if we win this competition? That's a good question. So if you win this competition you can get cool prizes. So for first place you can win the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, and for second place you can win cash prizes, and for third place you can win the Filmora licenses and effects packs. This is so cool. So how do I use these templates? So let's talk about that. First, open the Filmora or Filmora mobile version. So in here I add a few stock images to Filmora. So you can use any stock images and videos in this stock media section. So let's see how to get these templates. So go to the template section and select the #FilmoraFunCollage tab. So if this doesn't visible on your Filmora, please check the Filmora updates. So in this section, we have different types of collage templates like music, travel, retro, typography, stylish, and many variations. So in here, I picked this template for the timeline. So guys, you can customize text, colors, images, background, and transitions in these templates. In here, I want to change this text, so I select the text, and I customize it like this. Okay, then I need to change this background. So I go to the media, select this sky image, drag it to here, then hold the Alt key on the keyboard, then drop it like this. Now you can see our background is replaced. Also, I need to change this image too, so I drag this image here, hold the Alt key again, then drop it to this layer. See, it's so simple. So let's try another template. So I drag this template to the timeline. And here's what it looks like. So now I change this text here. And I need to change this image too. So you can see it already has some effects. So I want to replace it with this image. When it is done, you can see the effect is replaced too. Then I adjust the scale and positions these images like this. See, it's pretty awesome. So that's it guys. This is the how to use these collage templates. Now it's time to create your own creation. So guys, if you are interested in this competition, you can participate in it and make sure to publish your creation with the #FilmoraFunCollage tag on your social media before the 26th of June. So don't forget that. So if you want to know more information about this competition, I put all details in the description. You can check that out. So guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you like my content, you can keep liking and subscribing to my channel. So see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace.